Hi everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa Manatee Lagoon Observatory. So, andito kami para mag-observe ng mga sea animals dito sa Manatee Lagoon. Hi babe, where are you? Why? Oh baby. The door. Go, come on. Ayan, at dito nag-gather yung mga manatees. Galing yan sa iba't ibang panig ng United States. Pero tuwing lumalamig na or tuwing winter, dito sila nag-iipon-ipon sa Florida kasi naghahanap sila ng warm water because they cannot survive sa extremely cold na water temperature. Kaya dito sa Florida, since dito ay wala namang snow at hindi ganun kalamig, so talagang dito sila para sila ay maka-survive. So
You see the moving thing?
What's
Look,
under
it's
yours?
moving!
Oh,
Green one, look. There, right there. It's moving.
oh, what are you?
Mom, look! Look, it looks like a whale. It looks like a dolphin.
It looks like a dolphin. Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
They will.
Maybe look at the fish too. Oh, they're so colorful.
Tinatawag din silang mga sea cows. Ang tawag nga sa kanila is yung the gentle giant of the Florida ecosystem. Mami! Mami, look! So after namin mag-viewing ng mga actual manatees dun sa lagoon, pumasok na kami dito kasi andito yung mga exhibit para sa iba't ibang mga information at ganun din yung mga paintings at merchandise na may kinalaman sa manatees at paano sila mapapangalagaan o maiingatan kasi talagang they are really in danger.
That looks like a dinosaur. Oh my god.
It's a baby manatee.
The cows in the sea.
There, oh, it's not fun. It's not fun. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't like this muscle like that. That looks scary.
Okay, come in.
Don't let them see me. Don't let them see me.
It's not here anymore.
Here. Oh, scary mirror. Oh, look. Oh. travel to the Philippines? Or to Abuela?
Bella!
Yes. Come here. Just come here.
They are gonna travel to
Yes.